Standard 12th Business Mathematics exercise 4.4. Solve the following. In that second question, dy by dx plus y into cos x is equal to sin x cos x. So we'll just interchange it. That is dy by dx will be there as it is, plus cos x into y, that is equal to sin x cos x. So we can write it as, it is of the form dy by dx plus py, which is equal to q. So now comparing these two equations, we can write it as where p is equal to, in the place of p, just check what is there. So p cos x is there. So we can write p is equal to cos x, and your q is equal to, just check what is here, q is here. So this side of a equal to, so sin x and cos x. So sin x cos x. Now the next step is p dx with integral. So this is the format you'll have to find it. That is integral p dx is equal to integral cos x dx. Integral of cos x is sin x. So it is sin x. So the next is e power integral of p dx. That is nothing but your integrating factor. So we'll have to find your integrating factor. The formula is e power integral of p dx, that is equal to e power, we have got already integral p dx, so just substitute it that here. So e power sin x, will get it. The required solution so that your formula is y into if, that is equal to integral q if dx plus c. The next step, y into if, we have got it as e power sin x. So e power sin x, that is equal to integral, your q is here, sin x cos x. So sin x cos x, again if e power sin x into dx plus c. We'll just mark this as equation 1. To solve the integration, we'll go to substitution method. So what I am going to do is e power sin x is there. So sin x, I replace it as t. So put t is equal to sin x. So dt we'll have to find it. That is the differential of sin x will become cos x into dx. Now see here, you will have your cos x and dx will be there. So these two, when you are combining, it will become dt. Instead of sin x, you can put t. Again e power sin x is there, so e power t you can replace it. So considering only the RHS, so RHS part will take it. That is integral is there. Instead of sin x, we can write t. It is here t. Cos x and dx will become dt. We have got dt. And again e power sin x. So e power, instead of sin x, we can write t. So that is equal to integral of t e power t into dt. So proceeding with ILATE format, ILATE, this we have studied in the before chapters. So first we will have to check what is here. So here t is there. T is your algebraic term. Then comes your exponential. E is your exponent. We can proceed the integral using Bernoulli's theorem. So proceeding with Bernoulli's formula or theorem, you can use it. By formula, your formula is integral of u dv is equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus etc. So Now you will have to take your u and dv. So for that only we are using this highlight format. Okay, so now algebraic term is there, so t. So instead of u we will have to take it as t. Now your dv is, that is the left out term, that is e power t into dt. That is your exponential format which is there in the last part. So u, using this highlight, first algebraic term is there, so u is equal to t we will have to take. The next left out part here we will have to take it as dv. Now what you will have to do is, this side fully you will have to do your differential and this part fully you will have to do your integral. So both differential and integral is there, so be careful and do it properly. Here differential, that is u dash, that is equal to t, when you are differentiating it will become 1. Then here it is v, when you are integrating e power t is e power t only. So dv, when you are integrating it will become v, e power t is there, so integral of e power t is e power t itself. Now coming back to your differential, u double dash, that is equal to 1, when you are differentiating it will become 0, and here it is integral v1, that is equal to integral of e power t is again e power t only. Till you get your 0 we will have to proceed it. So since we have got 0 here, so now we can stop it. Then you will have to substitute in this format. Okay, so that is integral of u is nothing but your t, dv is nothing but we have taken e power t into dt, that is equal to uv will have to write. So u and v will have to join together. So u is t, so t, instead of v we have got e power t. Then put this minus here, u dash is 1, u dash and v1 has to be taken together. Okay, so u dash is 1, v1 is e power t. The next part if you go it will become 0, so we'll just stop with this itself. So what is there? T into e power t minus e power t is there. So I'll just take e power t common, so I'll have t minus 1. So this is your Bernoulli's formula. Substituting this in your equation 1, because we have just found that RH is only this answer. So substituting here you will have y into e power sin x, that is equal to this integral only we have got this answer. So you can write it as e power t into t minus 1 plus c. If you want you can put from here itself plus c and plus c. So we have got t here, so we only substituted t, so you'll have to remove that t. So t we have just substituted sin x over there, so you can write it as y into e power sin x is equal to e power, in the place of t we have got sin x into t is again sin x minus 1 plus c. So this is the answer for your second question.